Hello everyone, this is my review of the Jouiditas Sun Visor Extender. The visors clip right onto my existing sun visor without any tools, and they stay secure even on rougher roads. What I like most is the anti-glare. These visors reduce sunlight from the sides and front very effectively. So when the sun is low in the sky or shining directly into my eyes, glare is dramatically reduced. It's a huge help when I'm driving early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Even though different vehicles have different size visors, these visors clip on easily, so they work well in my sedan and my truck. The extra width provides excellent coverage without obstructing my view of the road or dashboard controls, because they stick out a bit more than a standard visor. They take up a little extra headroom when flipped down, so taller drivers may want to test fit. Overall, if you want an easy and effective way to reduce glare and UV exposure while driving, especially during sunrise and sunset hours, these sun visor extenders are a solid, practical solution. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.